Hey, just Sam Brown here from SensatioNail, and today we're going to go through the top tips how to make your gel polish last longer. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Prepare your nails correctly before you get started. Make sure you treat your nails with care, they're not flexible, come on. Don't be a polish picker. Do not pick your polish because it will damage your nail. Trust me. This one's important. Type with the pad of your fingers, not with your nails. They're not flexible. Make sure you wear gloves when you're cleaning, gardening, or washing up because your gel nail will come off and it won't look pretty. Treat your nails to some cuticle oil and some cream. Gotta keep those hands looking fine. You can't keep them dry. Keep in mind, chlorine will cause lifting and discoloration on your nails for the first 24 hours. So wait 24 hours before you go swimming, hey. Don't submerge your hands underwater for long periods. One, your skin's gonna look, a bit crazy, and also you're gonna cause your gel nail polish to come off quicker, and we don't want that, do we? Last but not least, products such as sun cream, tanning lotions, insect repellents, and oil-based products can cause polish to lift and discolor. Try to avoid getting these products on your nails and wash your hands thoroughly after using them. If your nails are long, make sure these products are washed under them. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below, and I hope you join us again. See ya. Products such as sun cream, tanning lotions, insect repellents, and oil-based products can cause polish to lift and discolor. Try to avoid getting these products on your nails and wash hands thoroughly after using them. If your nails are long, make sure these products are... I nearly did!